Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Frio County, Atascosa County, until 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Derby, or 7 miles south of Pearsall, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Derby. Hazard: softball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Pleasanton, Pearsall, Jordanton, Dilley, Poteet, Charlotte, Christine, Campbellton, North Pearsall, Goldfinch, Hilltop, Lemming, Bluff, Shaddle, Derby, Bigfoot, Divot, Yoka, Greytown, and Choate. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. The San Antonio,